Welcome to My Bharat, the national youth-centric platform dedicated to empowering the youth of our nation. My Bharat, an initiative of the Department of Youth Affairs, Government of India, is your gateway to access unlimited opportunities and unlock your true potential. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for experiential learning opportunities on the My Bharat platform. Experiential learning opportunities, also referred to as ELOs, offer young individuals real-life, hands-on experiences across diverse industries and sectors. To apply for an ELO, you should log into your youth account on My Bharat. To do that, visit mybharat.gov.in and click the Sign In button on the home page. Enter your registered mobile number or email ID, tick the Terms of Use checkbox and click on Sign In to get the OTP. Enter the OTP and click on Sign In once again. On the public profile page, click on Experiential Learning from the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see a list of ELOs. Select the one you wish to apply for. You will be redirected to another page with all the details about the selected ELO. Next, select the functional category and click the Apply button. Here's an important note for you. If it's your first time applying for an ELO, you'll need to complete your Aadhaar verification. After clicking on Apply, a prompt will appear asking for your reason to apply. Enter your reason, then click Submit. And that's it. You have successfully applied for an experiential learning opportunity on My Bharat. You will be notified about the status of your application shortly by My Bharat support team. Please note that you can change the language of the My Bharat portal by clicking on the globe icon and selecting the language of your choice. Thank you for joining the My Bharat movement. Together, let's create a brighter future for India. Stay connected with us via social media for exciting updates, events, and opportunities that can shape your future.